How's it going, everyone? So I was asked this question. I was putting a battery in a Dodge Avenger, and somebody asked me, how hard are they to jumpstart? You know what? Let me show you. It's really not that bad. So this is the actual vehicle here that I put the battery in. Let me actually zoom out a little bit, like that. So we're going to come inside. We're going to pop the hood. All simple stuff so far. And you're going to come around here. We're going to open the hood. Let me prop this. Just like that. All right. So there we go. That Powerhouse 2.4. So anyway, you come over here, and on the driver's side strut tower, you have the negative post right here, and the positive post underneath this cover right there. They're pretty substantial posts. And as you can see, they do a pretty good job isolating the positive post from the body. And right here, the negative post attaches directly to the frame, or chassis, or unibody, whatever you want to refer to it as. So, whenever you're going to jump start it, obviously you hook up your positive here and your negative here. You always hook the negative up second or last, whatever you want to call it. Now, let's say you were changing a starter on this vehicle, or an alternator, anything like that, and you need to disconnect the battery. Well, Chrysler actually did a fantastic job of that and made it really simple. You basically take this nut off, and then you see that circle right there, that opening? You take the nut off, take this off. Now, this is the negative right from the battery. You put that hole there over the stud and then screw the nut back on. So now your negative post is isolated. It's not even connected to the vehicle anymore. And it's securely tied away on that stud through that opening there. It's securely away, so this way it doesn't accidentally ground out again. So now your battery is completely disconnected and isolated from the vehicle. So you don't have to worry about shorting anything out. So I hope that gives some people some insight. They did the same thing on the Chrysler 200s, the Sebrings. I don't remember what else they did that on. The Chrysler Cirrus, Dodge Stratus. Yeah, that whole group of like mid-sized Chrysler vehicles, the front-wheel drives. But anyway, yeah, they did that for quite a while. It worked very well. Obviously, just changing the battery, and if you don't have a lift, it kind of sucks, but it's not terrible. So, anyway, that's about it. Hope you get something out of my videos. If you like the videos, if you could, please hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. If you want to join our Facebook group called Backyard Mechanics, please make sure you answer all the questions. We will then go and check your profile. Don't block your profile, because we want to make sure of who we're letting in our group. We have some very good admins that check everything out and make sure our group stays as good as it possibly can be. So that's about it. So have a great rest of your day and keep wrenching.